Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Balachandran from Wipro. So today we are going to take about the theme on value creation, especially on the infra tower. We say micro SQL server, especially on the SQL server technical initiatives, whatever we have created, value add initiatives. So I have Aman and Shafia, who are the technical SMEs from this particular infra, and let us. We will try to explain multiple initiatives we have been bucketed under the value initiatives of Lean, which we try to portray here. Next slide, Aman. Okay, so we got a very good introduction about Wipro in the previous presentations as well. So I like to add certain things, especially on we have a workforce of 1 lakh plus workforce, and we have a very good nationalities of 127. And with that, diversity gender is about the 35.2 women employees and 59.6 on the male employees. And we are a Wipro as again a purpose-driven organization, and which is built on a foundation of integrity and serve customer obsession, colleague empowerment, and community upliftment. So it is also a process-driven organization to the larger level. So and also, as you many people would have been aware, Wipro is doing a lot of philanthropic activities, and the purpose here is beyond just winning a business. It is also a 67% of economic interest in Wipro is irrevocably pledged for philanthropy through the efforts of Wipro Foundation. So apart from this, Wipro is a successive winner of one of the most ethical company. Again, it is again a 9th time succession in one of the sustainable index program, and we are again a star performer on the IT services, and we are also one of the top 5 donors in the recent pandemic situation. So next slide, Aman. Okay, so where are we from? So we are from, again, Wipro. There is a unit called Global Command Center, GCC. So GCC is all about, it's a shared services model where we support multiple infra, more than 10 plus infra towers. From there, we are across 700 plus cross-skill resources with niche technologies and tools. So we are operating under 4 centers in India. So our footprint, especially we are working with 40 plus global customers. We are managing the infra of 28,000, 2 lakh 80,000 mailboxes, 20,000 plus virtual physical servers. We have a 50,000 plus TB storage, 31 TB backup storage, and 4,000 plus DB instances and 40,000 network devices. So the complete infra, we are working in a very cost-effective service model in Wipro. And normally our regular deliverables is mostly we handle larger volumes of 60,000 incidents and CSRs, and we try to meet at least around 600 SLAs per month. Again, we are doing major normal to standard and emergency change, 800 plus change activities on an average, and we do 70 business critical changes. And from the quality point of view, we used to drive a lot of small improvement programs bucket under different value add initiatives. So here in this case also, we created a good lean study, a simple lean study on automation tenet by using the automation tenet. And for analysis tenet, we took go see yourself and also the standardization tenet. With these 3, majoritarily with these 3 tenets, we try to bucket and we showcased very good value add initiatives in the SQL Server programming, which we supported for multiple customers in multiple sectors. Over to you, Aman. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Bala. So as Bala said that we support multiple customers. So for this case study, we chose 4 customers. So first one is a leading retail clothing chain with a total of 290 SQL Server instances and around 2,700 databases. One is oil and gas company, one is a manufacturing organization, and one is a consumer goods company. So in the existing customer, we faced many challenges. Some of the major challenges were the recurring login failures impacting application uptime and business uptime, multiple outages or high incident count, uh, server slowness, capacity issue, lack of automation due to which we had to put lot of manual effort, suboptimal performance causing further impact on business SLA. So just imagine you went to a store to buy clothes and their register stopped working. So so you, so you will feel not well, and maybe you won't return to the store. So that will be the case. So to overcome all these challenges, we took some of the initiative. So the first two initiative that we took was the login and recurring job failure and the server slowness and capacity issue. So to fix the login and recurring job failure, we use the lean tenet, in which uh, we use the method, as Bala said, to found the root cause and its solution. So for the login and recurring job failure, we found out that the always on feature, which is a feature for HA and DR for SQL Server, was the root cause of it. So what happened is that in always on when we create a login and jobs on the primary server, it do not automatically it do not uh, it do not replicate to the secondary server. So when the failover happen, then the users login get failed and the jobs get failed. So uh, uh, so using automation, we wrote a script and such that anytime a login or job is created on the primary server, it is automatically replicated to the secondary server. So after implementing the script, we were able to reduce the major incident count from 1 on an average per month to 0. And it also impacted the business continuity and business application uptime. And for the second initiative we took was to server slowness and capacity issue. So for the server slowness, there were many causes of server slowness, like the lack of indexes, lack of updating the stats regularly. Uh, Also, there were some storage devices which were old and which didn't have much IOPS, and the main cause were the blocking. So for the blocking, we found out that there were many queries which were involved in the blocking. So we identified those queries and we coordinated with the application team to schedule those queries such that they don't involve in the blocking. And for the server resources, we found out where the server resources lack, and then we added those resources as applicable. And for the indexes and statistics, we created indexes as required, and we scheduled a job to update the stats regularly. So after implementing all this, we were able to reduce the incident count from 15 per day to 1 per day, and we were able to provide uninterrupted service to our customer. As for the next two initiative, I'd like to start a quote from the movie Top Gun. In this, a quote is in which Tom Cruise say, "I feel the need for the speed." So, as you may be aware, the last 2 year, the last 2 year marked the Microsoft end of support for the product SQL Server 2008 and 2008 R2. So all of our customers were starting to migrate from the older version to the newer version. So in the initial phase of migration, we observed two major bottleneck to
10 minutes.
for the speed of uh, for the speed up of the migration, which were the post installation configuration task of SQL Server and large scale database restoration. So earlier we used to do the post installation configuration task like mail configuration, job configuration, alert configuration, SQL Server memory configuration manually, which used to take 3 to 5 hours per server. So we were able to reduce it by automation to 10 seconds per server, and we were able to save 35 hours per month. And for the large scale database restoration, there were many scripts available to restore one database at a time, but there were no script available to restore all the databases available in an SQL Server instance all at once. So we wrote a script and we were able to save effort. So the major milestone was when we restored 48 when we restored the 260 databases in record 2 hours as per the proposed time of 48 hours. So yeah, the next slide is the voice of customer. I'm just pausing for 3 to 4 seconds so that you can see. And in all those initiatives, we had many learnings. So the first learning was the value added solution to customer. We were able to provide such solution to customer that made their application faster, that made their delivery faster. We were able to identify automation opportunity. We were able to leverage the latest version for better stability and availability. We were able to involve the cloud technology, which is the future. And we were able to use the monitoring capabilities to identify the issues. In the end,
12 minutes.
in the end, yeah. So thank you all. Yes, I'm open to the questions if there are any.
Aman, just a question. So just wanted to understand. All the solutions that you implemented,
Yes.
how much of these meant an additional cost for the client?
No, man. So all the solution that we have implemented, all the scripts were written by us. So the additional cost only implemented was to migrating from the older version to the newer version, which were bore by the client. And apart from that, there was no cost involved.
So to precisely, Mesh, to say that, more or less, we are just observing the process and task executions, what is happening in the regular process and how it has been enhanced, how it has been reduction on effort as well as time by using the go see yourself tenet. And what we did is the automations, wherever we repeated tasks being performed, wherever we try to see any task consuming with high manual efforts, we try to put it as an automation. That is where these activities has been simplified. Further, we created a standardization process and SOPs accordingly, which has been improved and we have sustained accordingly. There is no explicit cost saving. These are all exclusive tasks which is created a value add for their operational performances.
Okay, thank you. The second question is, how much of this was the client-driven, more than your team-driven? So was it a demand from the client? And part B of the question is, if this project has brought in some learning for some proactive implementation for future.
I'll take this question.
Yes, Shafia.
This is from our end only. We identified many P1s which is impacting to the business. Users are unable to connect and application is unable to connect to the DB servers, like logins are failure. So on that perspective, we identified the issues and we gave the solution in such a way that there is no business impact. Whatever it might be that happen, the application should connect to the DB server. This is the initiative from our side, and we proposed it plan to the customer and they accepted it, and immediate basis we implemented it, and successfully it is implemented in all the environments.